Hey guys, welcome to Synchronicity Tarot. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. May you get your Valentine today and hope the rest of the year you spend with your Valentine. So may God bless you, all the wishes from my side and blessings from the universe. So today I'm back again with another pick a card reading, and this reading will be, will they come back to you? Okay, so no communication, no contact, will they come back to you? So we will come to know, or when they will come back to you. Okay, this reading will be no communication, no contact. So will they come back to you? When will they come back? Okay, that is what is our question, and this is requested by one of the viewer. So before starting the reading, I would like to thank all my viewers and subscribers, and thanks a lot for encouraging me to do more and more readings. So if you have any specific readings in your mind, you can comment in the comment section. Definitely I'll do the reading next. Okay, then as usual we have three piles here, but before going to pile selection, I would like to say that these are general readings. They may or may not resonate with everybody, so please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. And if you want any personal reading, you can contact me. My details are given below in the description. You can send me an email. Okay, so that's all. Without wasting much time, I will start the reading. But I have a small request, friends. I can see some of you are watching the reading but not subscribing. So I request you all to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, relatives, and all. Maybe they will get some clarity in their situation. Okay, that's all. So we have three piles here. Pile number one, this Snickers chocolate. Pile two, Starburst chocolate. Pile 3, Three Musketeers minis. Okay, so today Valentine's Day, so I thought I'll do the reading with chocolates. So pile number 1, Snickers. Pile number 2, the Starburst. Pile number 3, the Three Musketeers. Okay, whichever pile you are intuitively connected with, you can choose the pile. If you need more time, then you can pause the video and take your time, meditate on the pile, think about your person, and you can select the pile. So let's start the reading with pile number 1, Snickers. So whoever chose this Snickers chocolate, this reading is for you. No communication, no contact. Will they contact you? Will they come back to you? And when? We will see. Okay, so let's start the reading. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Whoever chose this Snickers chocolate, please give them some clarity. When will they come back? Whoever is in their life, this is a romantic love reading. So will they come back to them? Will they come back or not? And we will see when will they come back in the next spread. Okay, will they come back to my pile 1 people? Will they come back? Okay, one card already flew away. This is 5 of stars. Let me keep it here. Then astronomer. The burning tower. One second, friends. So the burning tower. So we have these 3 cards here, and bottom of the deck it is 6 of spears. Okay, bottom of the deck, I'll keep it here so that you can see. Okay, so after seeing this, let me tell you the signs. Okay, signs I can see here: the Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, then Aries, and I can also see Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, these 3 are the signs. I mean, 3 signs are there, like air signs, earth signs, and fire sign. Only Aries I can see. So let's see. We are asking a question that will this person come back to you or not. Okay, Five of Swords. So you had some fight, or this person is having some conflicts with people right now, or they had conflict with you, or they have some fights within their family because of you. Okay, that's the reason they are like not able to take any step. They are standing alone, they are standing tall, and they want victory in this connection at any chance. So with this Five of Stars card, so they want to win this battle actually. So they are not thinking with their heart, they are thinking with their mind right now. Actually they are not feeling emotional towards you right now. So something happened between you, some drastic what do you say, ending happened between you. Sudden ending happened between you because of the burning tower. So this person now, they are still in that defensive mode only. So they want to win the battle. They are not seeing that I should think sensitively or emotionally. So this person, they are kind of little bit egoistic I can say, and they are kind of immature energy also I can say. So they want to win, whether they are hurting others or hurting you, but still they want to win this battle. They have lot of things going on their mind. Maybe they got hurt, maybe because of this drastic ending, because of the burning tower. So still they are not able to come out of that sudden ending. So they are not able to forget that whatever happened between you. So for some of you I can say that this is the tower, so everything collapsed within no time. Okay. So, Five of Swords also tells us that this person is feeling like you abandoned them, and they are feeling that betrayal or hatred, okay, and also the humiliation in the society. So, they are having all these kind of negative emotions right now. So, they are actually in a queen position. I mean, they have everything in their life, they don't have any problem in their life, they have everything. And for some of you I can see that maybe this person is your ex, maybe your husband or wife. So this person is having maybe you have child with them, or they have already children. So they are in a very good position I can say. Okay, they have built up their own empire, and they are very stable right now. I mean, they don't have any problems with money, and they don't have any problem with the power. They have a good job securities, they financially they are fine. But the only thing is this burning tower, whatever happened between you, that is still they are not able to forget. Okay. And they want to have this balance of equal give and take. So they are trying to have a balance in their life also, at the same time they want to have balance in this connection also, but they are not able to come forward because of this burning tower. So burning tower says that almost the relationship is ended. Maybe for some of you, you are divorced with this person, but still you feel that somewhere that maybe this person comes back into your life. Do you have the hope? Okay. So as of this spread, okay, I can say that the result looks little negative, because I cannot see any hopeful card here. But let's see more cards. Okay, so let's see, let's pull some more cards and see. Will they come back to my pile 1? Will they come back to my pile 1? If so, when they will come back? Will they come back to my pile 1 people? If so, will they? When will they come back? Let's see. Archangel Michael, Archangel Gabriel, Archangel Uriel, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they come back? If so, when they will come back? strength, strength, two of swords, page of pentacles, and bottom of the deck we have the knight of pentacles. Okay, so in this friend I can see that they are slowly trying to come towards you there, but knight of pentacles means it is a very slow moving energy, very slowest in the whole deck. Okay, they are trying to come towards you, but they are taking baby steps, I can say. So they want to come, they want to offer their love to you, or they come with a stable offer. See, knights, the pentacles are always very stable. Okay, they are not wishy-washy. Once they decide means they decide, that strong willpower and a strong decision making power is there with your person. Okay, so they want to come towards you, they want to come like a page, and they want to offer you some offer. Okay, so they want to communicate with you, they want to send some information to you, because they feel that you both are soulmates. They are standing strong after this, all these things, after this tower moment, everything happened, but still they feel that you both are soulmates, and you both should be together. And I can see that two of swords means they feel that they don't know, they are confused. Actually, they have two options here, maybe two people or two things, I don't know. So they are blindfolded, they don't know, they are confused actually. So you both are blocked, I can say. You might have blocked this person, that's why this person is feeling abandonment, with the five of stars card in the earlier spread, right? So maybe you blocked this person, or this person blocked you, so there is a blockage here. So this person don't know what is happening in your life, or how you are feeling, what are your current feelings, they don't know. So that is the reason they are not able to take a step. But definitely they want to come towards you, they want to offer you their stable offer, maybe offer of marriage or commitment, whatever it is. But they want to come towards you, that much is sure. Because knight of pentacles is there, page of pentacles is there, they want to communicate, they want to pass on some information to you. Okay, so that's what I mean. Definitely they want to come towards you. The only thing is they are confused, and they don't know, they don't have the clarity how you're feeling. So let's see when they will come back, when they will come back, when they will come back to you, when they will come back to you, when they will come back to you. Angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity when they will come back. Okay, moon. So that means there are a lot of secrets actually in this connection, and this person will take time. Okay, because the moon card means it is water energy. Water energy means it will take years, not months actually. So it is not weeks or months, it will take years for this person to come towards you. Not so many years and all, but definitely this person might come after 2 years. Okay, so this person, definitely you both are destined to be together. But the problem is there are many secrets involved in this connection which are not clear for that person, also for you also. So for that reason this person is moving very 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 slowly. Okay, so definitely you should have patience with this person. Or I can see for some of you, their mother or your mother is involved in this connection, and they are creating so many problems in this connection. That's the reason you are not able to move. Okay, so both of you, but for this pile strongly I feel that you both are like wife and husband, and you got separated or divorced, or something happened between you. So for this pile especially I can see this. But for some of you, you both are maybe lovers, and maybe some bad ending happened and you are waiting for this person. But I'm telling you, it's up to you. This person will not come very fast. Okay, this person will definitely take lot of time. So it might take up to 2 years. It is not weeks or months, it is years only. So if you have that much patience to wait for this person, definitely this person will come back. Okay, so let's see their messages for you. What are the messages for my pile 1 from their person? What are the messages for my pile 1 from their person? Okay, I cannot be with you when you need me. Okay, so because this person feels that whenever you need this person, he or she was not there with you. That's what they are feeling right now. They want to say, I was too much in my head. Okay, maybe they were not open. They didn't open up. Okay, that's why they were too much in their head. I want to kiss you. Definitely, they have the passionate feelings towards you, and they miss those days where you both enjoyed. This distance is killing me. Okay, maybe this person is long distant to you, and now they are feeling that this is this distance is killing me. So let this connection be platonic. They are saying that okay, for some time let this be platonic connection. Let's be friends first, then we can slowly get together. I can't marry you. Okay, as I told you already, this person have two options. Okay, so right now this person is saying I can't marry you. So maybe it will change because as I said, this person is moving slowly, and it will take some time. So maybe after 2 years, definitely this person will might change their mind and come to you. So right now they can't marry you, maybe because of their mother or somebody else is there in their life. So that is the reason they are saying they can't marry you. But don't be disheartened. Definitely this person will come to you because they have strong feelings for you, and they feel that you are a soulmate. Okay, and I have the Knight of Pentacles. That means there is a movement in this connection. They want to communicate with you. Definitely they will come to you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 1. Then if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. I'm fumbling because this reading was not at all made me happy. I don't like to give negative messages to my viewers, but I don't know why spirit is giving like these kind of messages. Okay, that's all I have for you. All the best, my friends, and happy Valentine's Day once again. Bye. See you in the next reading. Whoever chose this starburst chocolate, this reading is for you. Then we will see, we'll ask angels whether your person will come back to you or not. Will they come back to my pile 2 people or not? Whoever is that person, that specific person, will they come back to my viewers or not? Will they come back or not? Will they come back or not? Will they come back to my pile 2 people or not? Will they come back or not? The next spread we will see when will they come back. Okay, angels and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they come back or not? 10 of 10 of Suns, 5 of Moons, Justice, and bottom of the deck I can see 9 of Wands. Okay, 9 of Suns. Okay, so overall I can feel that your person might be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Libra, or Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I can see all these signs here. So this person they have lot of responsibilities on their shoulders, or they are feeling that this connection is very burdensome, very heavy for them. They are not able to carry this connection on their shoulders, and otherwise they have so many other responsibilities. Maybe their family responsibilities are there. Maybe they are the elder child in their family, or they have already a family. Maybe they are already married and they have so many burdens on their shoulders. So right now they are feeling very tired, and they are like almost like walking away from this connection. So they are turning their back and going away from this connection. I'm feeling right now with this 10 of Suns card and 5 of Moons. They are very very sad actually. So they are very sad. They are not able to see any positivity in their life. They are like sobbing. They are not able to sleep at night. They are really mourning whatever happened between you. So they are having this kind of a very sad situation, sad energy. Why this happened in my life? Why? So they are not able to see the cups which are full in their life. They are not able to appreciate whatever good things that they have in their life. They are always thinking pessimistic way. They are feeling sad for whatever happened between you, and they are sad that staying away from you, because they think a lot and they feel that I can see that they are very sensitive and emotional. They're emotionally bonded towards you. And this separation or this no communication, no contact, it is making them very sad, I can say. They are not at all happy in their life. Justice, maybe they are going through a legal battle, maybe it is with you, maybe they are filing a divorce or something like that, or they have another any other legal battles. But as of now they are not at all happy in their life. They are really waiting for good times, waiting for you to come to them. They are very defensive. Maybe I'm getting a feeling that you both had a very big fight or something, conflict between the families. Okay, even here also I can feel that this is marriage related. Justice also is a marriage card. So I feel that whoever chose this pile, they also have this the person is your ex or wife or a husband. Okay, so I get this vibe from these cards and these messages. So they are waiting, they are not taking any action, they are simply waiting for you. They are they don't know what to do. They are tired, they are not able to sleep, they are sad, but their mind is not working. What they don't know what to do. Simply they are waiting, and they left everything on God, I mean on the universe, because they feel that they nothing is there in their hands. That's what they feel. I strongly feel that this is because of the family or relatives. You had some fight, and it reached till that divorce situation. Okay, or they are going through a divorce with their already they are married. For some of you, very few of you, maybe they are already married and they are going through separation, or they are going through a divorce or legal battle, because justice means it is a legal battle. Okay, so that's what I can see, that this person is not at all happy. Will they come back to you or not? This is not clear, because these all the cards are saying that they are walking away, walking away from this connection. But let's see what other card says. We'll pull some more cards and see. Will they come back to my pile 2, people? Whoever is the specific someone, will they come back to my pile 2? Will they come back to my pile 2? And if so, when they will come back in their lives? Spirits and angels, please give us some guidance and clarity. Will they come back to their life? Let's see. Queen of Cups, Queen of Wands, the Hanged Man. Wow, it's pretty clear, friends. Okay, and we have Ace of Wands. Okay, so it is pretty clear that they have two people in their life, two queens in their life. Maybe one is you and one is the other person. So Queen of Wands means it is very passionate connection, okay, with someone else, or maybe they have passionate connection with you. But another lady they have the child with. Okay, maybe the Queen of Cups is their wife, and Queen of Wands maybe you. So they are dealing with two people in their life right now. So maybe you are their wife, or somebody else is there. Because of that they are not able to come out of this come to you, or come out of this conflict or confusion. They are in a hanged man position. Okay, so they don't know what to decide, whom to choose, because both he it looks like they are attached to both of you. Maybe they have the child custody, or because the children are with the one person, so he's emotionally attached with them, and he's not able to, he or she, they are not able to separate from them. At the same time they have lot of passion towards one person. Okay, take it however it resonates. Whichever role is yours, please take it like that. Okay, that is why two people are there in their life right now, so they are not able to take any decision, but still they want to have a new beginning, new passionate beginning with Ace of Wands. I feel that this Queen of Wands is you, and they want a passionate new beginning with Ace of Wands. Okay, so they want to communicate with you, and they want to have a new again start fresh. They want to start everything new and fresh. Okay, that desire is there in their heart. But let us see once again, will they come out of this conflict, and will they come back to you, and when they will come back, because they have the feelings, passionate feelings towards you, and they want to come back. If they want to come back, when they will come back, when they will come back to my pile 2, when they will come back to my pile 2, when they will come back to my pile 2, when they will come back to my pile 2. One card flew away, friends. So it is High Priestess. Okay, so definitely High Priestess also, it will take some time, friends. I feel that it will take years only. It is not so fast. Definitely this person want to come back to you, because they are following their gut instinct. Okay, they are following their heart. They are highly intuitive, I can say, and universe is giving some signals or guidance to this person to come towards you. And they feel that they have to follow their gut instinct, and they want to come towards you, but definitely it will take some time, because they have to kill their whatever addictions or whatever negative shades, that the devilish energy is there in their life. They have to end that, then only they can come to you. And I feel that it might take up to 2 years also. Don't feel disheartened, but it looks like it will take a long time. So maybe they have, as I told you already, they have two people involved in their life right now, so they don't know what to choose. It will take some time, because they are into legal battles also. To finish everything and come back to you, it will take some time. Okay, it might be up to 2 years. Now let's see what are their messages for you. What are their messages for my pile 2? What are their messages for my pile 2? So what are their messages for my pile 2? What are their messages for my pile 2? Okay, let's see. We have here, I look for you everywhere. Definitely this person is very very sad, and they are looking for you everywhere. I know I messed up everything. This person, maybe they didn't tell you that they are already married, they have another person in their life. Now they are saying that I messed up everything. I need more time to heal myself. Definitely. That's what I said. They need more time to heal, then only they can come to you. So we both are enjoying our friendship. Maybe you both are friends first, then after that this relationship started. You are my world. Definitely. This person sees you as their world. Soulmate. They see you as their soulmate, definitely. And financially unstable. Okay, this person might be financially unstable, because they have lot of responsibilities now on their shoulders, as we got the card of 10 of wands. So this person, definitely they are not stable in their life financially, so they want to take some time before they come to you. Okay, that's all I have for you, pile number 2. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press bell symbol to get more notifications from my channel. That's all I have for you. Until next reading, bye. Whoever chose this Three Musketeers minis, this reading is for you. Okay, happy Valentine's Day, friends. Let's see, will they come back to you in your life? Will they come back to you? Will they come back to you? The specific someone, the lover or spouse or ex, whoever it is, whoever is there on your mind, will they come back? Please, spirits and angels, give us some guidance and clarity. Will they come back to my pile number 3? My pile 3 people, will they come back to you? Will he or she come back to your life? Let's see. 3 of moons, Ace of Moons, One of Moons, the Nine of Suns, bottom of the deck we have here the Abyss. Okay, let's see. Okay, so now you might be dealing with Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. These are all the signs I can see here. So this person, they want to have they want to celebrate with you. I can see that. I mean, they are three of cups, means it is celebration, or you can say that you both are maybe friends, you have mutual friends, maybe they are having parties and they are celebrating with their friends to forget about you or forget about this connection. But definitely they have this feeling of a new beginning with you. This is the Ace of Cups. That means they want to have a new beginning in this relationship, in this connection. So first they want to be like friends, they want to know you more, they want to come towards you as a friend first, then slowly they want to express their feelings. For some of you, most of you, I feel that maybe you or them, you both didn't express your love towards each other as of now. I feel that so in this file I don't see that any ex or any husband wife connection I can't see here. But they are in they maybe this is if you are looking for a second alliance, for some of you this person might be a divorcee. Okay, so he or she are divorced person, so they are also looking for the second alliance, and you both are maybe know each other earlier. Maybe you both were friends, and or you have some mutual friends, that is how you both met each other. So like that, so they are not taking any action as of now, and they are simply waiting. They're tired of waiting, actually, I can say. Maybe you both didn't stopped talking maybe for 1 year or 2 years. Okay, so you didn't no communication for a long time. So I can see they are defensive, and they are waiting for you. At the same time, they're defensive in the sense they don't want to make a first move. That's what I can feel it here, because they are in a queen or king position right now. Okay, so they are kind of queen of swords energy. They are in a very powerful position, and at the same time they have this egoistic mentality also. They have lot of pride, I can say, because they have everything in their life, and they are very straightforward, cutthroat, and they don't want to have any BS in their life. So if you know this person very well, then you must be knowing that this person is very straightforward, and they are cutthroat, like whatever they want they clearly say. But as of now they did not express their feelings to you, because with the three of moons and ace of cups, I can say that this person want to have a new beginning. Maybe this person is new to you. Maybe you have known this person for some time. You don't know this person very deeply or clearly, or they don't know you that much. Uh, I mean, they don't know you much, I can say, because they want to know you, they want to come towards you. This is kind of a new connection as of now, but this is very, very emotional, sentimental connection. Lot of love is there between you both, and it is the cup is overflowing with the love, I can see. So in this pile, I can see lot of emotions and love, actually, but it is unsaid, it is not clear. Okay, let's see more with the other's friend, what we will get. Will they come back to you or not? As of now they are not taking any action. Okay, let's see. Will they come back to my pile 3 or not? Will they come back to my pile 3 or not? Will they come back to my pile 3 or not? Will they come back to my pile 3? Whoever chose this three musketeers, will their person come back to their life or not? Angels and spirit guides, please give us some clarity. Temperance. So you or the other person might be Sagittarius. Seven of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and Eight of Swords. Okay, so definitely this person want to come towards you, but they are not able to come because they are tied up, and they don't have clarity. You have blocked them or they blocked you, and they have a lot of problems in their life to come towards you. Maybe the social problems or their family problems. There are many problems in their life to come towards you. That is why they are stopping you. I don't think that this person will come to you so soon. They are juggling with two things actually, and at the same time they want balance in this connection. They want to one foot is in water and one foot is above the water. So that means they don't have balance right now, and they want balance in this connection. And definitely they want to come towards you. Maybe earlier they thought this is a kind of a flirting, or this is not a very strong connection, so they didn't take it seriously actually. So maybe when they approached you, they might be simply like just trying you. Okay, they just kind of okay, let's see what will happen, that kind of a player energy in earlier when they approached you. After that it slowly became little deeper and deeper. So now this person is going away, okay, stealing things, and that means he stole their your heart, and they want to move away. But you can see that this person is looking back. That means they are not able to move away from you. So they are juggling with two things or two people. Maybe I don't know whether they are already married, and they are into divorce. So as we got the Queen of Swords, that means it is a divorced person. Okay, so this person is juggling with two things. They are confused, but still they feel that you both are soulmates, and this connection is divinely guided. But they are not able to take any action because they don't know what you are thinking and feeling, because they are unsure about whether you have the same feelings for them, because whatever they have done to you, after that they are feeling ashamed, like they don't know how to show their face to you. So as I told you earlier with the Seven of Swords card, that means they were a player in earlier. They played with your feelings and emotions. So now they don't know how to come towards you. So they are stuck now. They are not able to move. Even if they come to you also, it will take a lot of time, because they have to clear their mind, and they have to come to you. Okay, let's see when they will come to you. When will they come to my pile 3? 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 Universe and spirit guides, please give us some guidance and clarity. When will they come? Okay, the Chariot. Very nice. Pretty soon they want to come, maybe in 7 months. Okay, so this pile is a little bit positive. I can feel that they, and I'm getting so many messages from these cards. Okay, this person is long distance to you. They have to travel and come towards you. Maybe because of Corona, they are not able to travel and come towards you. So now they want to come towards you by traveling. So within 7 months they will come to you, or maybe in the month of July or August, definitely they want to come and meet you. So surely they will come into their your life, because 7 is very prominent here, 7 and 8. So that means definitely this person will come to you in the might maybe they might contact you, or they will come to you directly. Okay, I don't feel that they will contact you. They will come to you directly, face to face. They want to meet, and it will happen in the month of July or August. Definitely they will come to you. Okay, this is a very positive reading, I can feel. So let's see, let's pull their messages for you. What are their messages for my pile 3 spirit? Please give us some guidance and clarity. What are their messages for my pile 3 people? I cannot take more cards. Okay, okay. So wishing you were with me right now. So maybe today, Valentine's Day, they are missing you. So they want you to be with them. I couldn't let you get close to me. So earlier, as I said, they didn't let you get close to them. I love you unconditionally. Definitely, this person loves you. There is no doubt about it. They have lot of emotions for you. I'm ready to fight for you. Yes, now they made up their mind. Okay, so now they want to come towards you. You are like a mirror to me, and it scares me. Yes, this connection might be twin flame connection. I feel for some of you. So that's the reason this person feels that you are like a mirror to them. You both are same, similar, alike. You both think alike and be or like same. Okay. So I want to grow old with you. What a sweet message. So definitely they want to grow old with you. That means they want to be with you lifetime. I miss you every moment of my life. Very good. I mean, this person definitely missing you. There is no doubt that this person is missing you. And I'm sorry, I couldn't be your person. Okay, definitely this person played with your feelings earlier. So now they are repenting. Let's give second chance with this connection. See, friends, how everything is coordinating with each other. All the cards are like saying the same thing from first spread, second spread. Now these messages, everything is saying the same thing. So they want to give a second chance to this connection. Maybe earlier they played with you, so now they want to be sincere and honest with you, and they want to grow old with you. Definitely they will come back to you, friends, and this is a very very positive reading. Congratulations and happy Valentine's Day once again. So if you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell symbol for more notifications from my channel. Until the next reading, bye.